Question 9. What did Julia want more than anything? And I think the clue and the key to this one is more than anything. So we know she wanted to go on an adventure and we know she wanted to go to London, but what did she want to do more than anything? So let's see if we can find that phrase in the passage to help us. So actually, it's in the section here which I've highlighted. Where you go and bake your own biscuits and gingerbread. This is what Julia wanted to do more than anything else. So she wanted to go to one of these tea shops or cafes and go and bake her own biscuits and gingerbread. And the option that best fits that is she wanted to visit, A, she wanted to bake her own biscuits, yes, but no mention of cake. So whilst A looks really close, it's not the right answer because there's no mention of cake. It's biscuits and gingerbread that we're looking for. Yes, she wanted to go to London, but it wasn't the thing that she wanted to do more than anything, so that's wrong. She wanted to do what Kitty did. Well, yeah, again, she kind of did, but not over and above everything else. She wanted to bake her own biscuits, yep, and gingerbread, yeah, okay, so D is looking like the right answer. Let's just see what E is. She wanted to visit a cafe. Well, she did want to visit it, but not more than anything. What she wanted to do more than anything was the baking side of things. So the answer is D. So you can see how we've just had to think that one through and be very careful not to automatically go for A, and also not to just say she wanted to visit a cafe. So the key really is what she wanted to do more than anything.